In today's rapidly evolving world of design, declutter and design, Eosmart wood ideas for a harmonious home represents far more than a passing trend. It's a movement toward intentional living, sustainability, and artistry rooted in simplicity. Every modern home craves harmony, between beauty and function, between what we own and how we live. Yet for many, clutter, chaos, and mass-produced furnishings have overshadowed that sense of peace. Eosmart wood design seeks to restore it, transforming homes into sanctuaries through pieces that are not only visually appealing, but also deeply meaningful. Whether you are a hobbyist looking to reconnect with your creative side, an aspiring entrepreneur exploring profitable green ideas, or simply someone passionate about sustainable living, the philosophy behind Eosmart woodworking invites you to see wood waste as a goldmine of opportunity. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today, we will show you a collection of Eosmart wood ideas for a harmonious home and income generation. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. At the heart of this movement lies a deep respect for natural materials and their power to bring balance into our lives. Wood, especially when reclaimed or upcycled, carries history in its grain and character in its imperfections. Every knot, curve, and mark tells a story, a reminder that beauty need not come from perfection but from authenticity. By repurposing discarded wood, you breathe new life into what was once forgotten, creating functional art that resonates with emotional depth and environmental awareness. These Eosmart designs allow us to declutter not only our physical spaces, but also our minds, shifting from a culture of overconsumption to one of mindful creation and appreciation. Modern eco-design challenges the idea that sustainability means compromise. Instead, it celebrates the fusion of minimalism, functionality, and aesthetic richness. Imagine a simple wooden shelf crafted from reclaimed planks, its warm tones grounding the room while reducing waste. Or a compact coffee table made from salvaged beams that once supported an old farmhouse, now bringing character and strength to a contemporary living room. These pieces don't merely decorate. They tell stories, evoke emotion, and remind us that true luxury is sustainability. This is where Eosmart woodworking stands apart. It embodies elegance with purpose, design with conscience, and art with longevity. But perhaps what makes Eosmart woodcraft most powerful is its accessibility. You don't need a high-end workshop, years of training, or expensive tools to begin. What you need is vision, a willingness to see beyond the surface and reimagine potential where others see waste. A pile of old boards, discarded furniture parts, or forgotten pallets can become stunning wall decor, floating shelves, or organizational pieces that help declutter homes in style. This sense of resourcefulness not only empowers creators, but also fuels a growing market of eco-conscious consumers eager to invest in goods that align with their values. In today's market, people are not just buying furniture. They are buying stories, ethics, and connection. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. For entrepreneurs and makers, the business potential of Eosmart woodworking is immense. As society moves towards sustainability, handmade, upcycled, and ethically sourced decor is in higher demand than ever before. A single weekend project can transform into a thriving small business built on authenticity and environmental responsibility. Consumers today crave items that reflect their identity and care for the planet, factors that mass-produced furniture can never replicate. By crafting pieces that combine practicality with purpose, artisans and hobbyists alike can carve out a niche that's both creatively fulfilling and financially rewarding. It's about turning clutter into cash, waste into wealth, and passion into profit, all while contributing positively to the planet. The emotional connection between maker and material is another defining element of Eosmart woodcraft. Each creation becomes an act of mindfulness, a pause in the fast-paced rhythm of modern life. Working with reclaimed wood allows creators to slow down, observe the material's unique qualities, and design with intention rather than impulse. It's a meditative process that strengthens our relationship with nature and with ourselves. Every cut, sand, and polish becomes symbolic, a gesture of restoration, of breathing new life into what's been overlooked. When those creations find their way into homes, they carry that same calm energy, encouraging peaceful, clutter-free, and conscious living. The idea of decluttering extends far beyond physical organization. It's about emotional and environmental harmony. When we choose handcrafted, sustainable pieces over disposable decor, we choose meaning over material excess. Our homes begin to reflect not what we consume, but what we value: creativity, resilience, and connection. The clean lines, organic forms, and natural finishes of Eosmart wood designs foster spaces that feel alive yet uncluttered, elegant yet grounded. It's not just about decorating a room, it's about designing a lifestyle centered around balance, respect, and purpose. From a creative standpoint, working with wood scraps and reclaimed materials unlocks an entirely new world of artistic freedom. Limitations, like the size or texture of available materials, often become the spark for innovation. You begin to see potential in every grain and groove, discovering combinations that are as surprising as they are beautiful. This sense of experimentation leads to designs that are one of a kind. No two creations are ever identical. The imperfections become assets, giving each piece personality and soul. Such authenticity is precisely what modern homeowners crave. Pieces that don't just fill space, but also speak of craftsmanship, care, and originality. In a world dominated by instant gratification and fleeting trends, Eosmart woodworking offers an antidote, a return to substance, slowness, and sustainability. It reminds us that the most luxurious spaces are not necessarily the ones filled with new things, but those enriched with meaning, creativity, and intention. By transforming wood waste into elegant, functional decor, you contribute to a global shift toward mindful consumption, while finding peace and satisfaction in the process of creation itself. Ultimately, declutter and design. Eosmart wood ideas for a harmonious home is not just a call to decorate. It's an invitation to transform how we think about design, consumption, and creativity. It's a celebration of what happens when environmental awareness meets artistic expression, when the old becomes new, and when simplicity becomes sophistication. Every project, no matter how small, has the power to inspire change, both in homes and in hearts. In embracing Eosmart woodworking, you join a growing community of creators who believe that sustainability and beauty are not separate goals, but two sides of the same story. One that honors nature, uplifts creativity, and builds a future worth crafting. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked Eosmart wood ideas for a harmonious home. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.